Hello and welcome to Not Now Therapeutics. Today we are talking about using kinesiotape to fix a bunion. So when we're talking about kinesiotape, I like to talk about the kind that I can control the amount that I'm using. So oftentimes these come in strips. I don't necessarily love that, but we're going to do what we can. On the back side of your kinesiotape, you see these dark lines and little lines. So what we are going to do is we're going to take off two big squares, right? So I'm cutting right on this line here. This is about 4 inches, I imagine, of tape. Not really sure. I didn't measure it, but you're going to play with it. So what we're going to do then, I'm going to roll it together and I'm going to round the edges of the tape. The reason why we round the edges of the tape is because the edges like to grab onto your clothes and other things like that, pull it off. So here we are with the kinesiotape. Now this is a little bit of a learning curve. So what we're going to do so that you understand what's happening is when you have a bunion, this bone is rolling down, right? And so this toe starts to angle to stay in line. So you get this bump out here, just like that, right? And as it rubs against your shoe and things like that, it becomes stimulated for more bone growth. The more that bone rolls down, the more the toe angles. So we're going to correct that using kinesiotape. What we are going to do is we are just going to rip one side just like this. You want to be very careful not to touch the kinesiotape, because once it sticks to something, it won't stick to anything else. We're going to turn one side like that, so I have a little handle to hold on to. I'm going to remove the tape off of that side so it's nice and free. Grabbing my toe, I want to make sure it's clean. I'm going to set my kinesiotape right underneath my great toe, right? So I'm really capturing that bone. I'm going to pull that kinesiotape, wrap up around that bunion, and tape the tape to the top of my foot. Just like that. And then I'm going to rub it. Because the glue is heat activated, you want to rub that tape, and this should provide immediate relief from your bunion. You can leave this on for 3 days and then continue retaping. For me, after about 3 weeks of consecutively taping, I stopped taping the toe just to see how it was, and I've been perfectly fine ever since. I suffered from pain in my great toe for many years, and this is what fixed it. So I hope that helps you, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day.